Hello. Hi guys. So actually I should speak even if I am alone. So today we will have a live session with the hackathon mentors. So we will have a hackathon during blockchain in Boa. The hackathon will be on ICP. And today the amazing blockchain developers who will be mentoring all the hackathon participants will be there so they can explain you how everything will go and maybe introduce you to ICP and maybe answer your questions if you have. So the live should start at 6. Right now I am alone, but I'm just speaking. So if someone is watching the replay, they can at least know what to expect. So right now there's no one, I am alone, but we should start at 6 p.m. if we start on time. And once we start, we will share the YouTube link to all the groups so they can join us. Oh, we already have three. Uh, what was Zrители? Sorry, my laptop is in Russian, so we have three viewers. Hello, guys. Alors aujourd'hui, on a un autre live en anglais. We have another live session in English because we will talk about the hackathon. And as you know, we are organizing blockchain in Boa, in Cameroon, especially in Douala. And as you also know, Cameroon is a bilingual country. And we succeeded to work with some of the best of the best of the best of la crème de la crème blockchain developers in Cameroon. Salut Gauthier, Achille, Ngrang, comment tu vas? And it happens that they are in the English speaking part of Cameroon. And this is also something I realized that English speaking people in Africa, they are so motivated. I mean, we should do something also, French speaking people. But right now we are speaking English because all the hackathon mentors are English speakers because Cameroon is a bilingual country. But before we start, if you have anything to say, like Gauthier, you can say hi, bonsoir Gauthier. You can say how you are experiencing the crypto market. Là, on va attendre l'arrivée des stars, des blockchain développeurs stars qui vont nous parler du hackathon. Mais en attendant, on peut être entre nous. Vous connaissez la chaîne en mode Zeppo, boisson sur le tech. Salut Gauthier, Achille, Ngrang, encore une fois, merci beaucoup vraiment de nous faire l'honneur de ta présence. Ça me fait vraiment plaisir de pouvoir te compter parmi nous. Ah, we have Jocelyn. Hey Jocelyn, can you hear me? I cannot hear you. You are
Yeah, I
on
can get
mute.
you clearly.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
perfect.
I'm
I'm
mute. I'm
hearing
mute.
you.
Can you get me?
Yeah.
Great.
How are you?
Glad to join you today. No, I'm doing good, and you?
I'm doing great, thanks. I'm also glad to be with you.
Awesome.
Maybe we will wait 5 minutes before we start. And before you arrived, I just said to the audience that we will be around the amazing blockchain developers in Cameroon that will be mentoring all the participants during the hackathon we will have on ICP for blockchain Boa. And also, thanks again,
Oh
Jocelyn,
wow.
for your participation. It means a lot, and I'm very grateful to be able to do this with such a talented developers like you.
No, I'm really happy to be contributing to the growth in blockchain around my country. I'm really excited. I think this event is really going to help onboard a lot of people and help them understand blockchain as a whole. Also give them the opportunity to build on the blockchain. It's really going to be an awesome event.
Thank you very much. We will do all our best. And I hope that it won't be raining a lot because it's raining a lot these days in Douala.
Well, where I am right now, it's not currently raining, but I think it's raining all the time in Boya and Douala also. But we haven't seen rain for a while. Rain yesterday, it was raining, but today we're not lucky today.
Because I'm afraid that if it's raining, maybe people won't be motivated to come to the event. That's why I was saying this. I hope they will stay
Um,
motivated even if it's raining, but I don't know. What do you think?
yeah, yeah, that's true. Well, I don't. I think rain can be an issue. Also, it depends if it's going to be raining all throughout the day. But I don't think it's necessarily a good excuse to stay back home and not come to an awesome events like this.
Yes, good point. I really like what you said, Jocelyn. Rain is not an excuse to stop, to refrain yourself from coming to the hackathon, because don't forget that there is a prize pool of
Yeah,
$1,000 to win, so it's a lot of money.
yeah, yeah. You don't want to miss because it's not only about the money. There'll be merchandise. Also, people will be receiving balls. I saw there will be balls. I think T-shirts and stuff also are available to be won.
Exactly. But even if it's raining, we know that we will only have the most motivated participants.
Yeah,
So
we are
right
going
now,
to have at least people.
no, sorry, go ahead.
No, it's okay. So I was just saying, we're going to have people who are motivated for the program. At least if you're willing to enter the rain and come attend the program, it means you're ready to build something awesome. You're ready to connect and you're ready to learn more.
Exactly. So now I'm just sharing the link in the different groups. I think we lost Jocelyn. Oh no, you're still here. The network is low. I hope we
Yeah,
won't
I'm
have
here.
any
I'm
issue.
here.
Okay, that's great.
No, for now I am okay.
So let me
For now
just
I'm okay.
share. There's another group, Hackathon Mentors. You can join us here. Okay, so I think I spread the word in all the groups. So either way, the replay will be there even if some people join late. I think Mbu might
Yeah,
join us, but he will be a bit late. So before we start,
yeah.
maybe Justin, you could just quickly introduce yourself and how you got into blockchain programming before we focus on the hackathon.
Okay, so literally, so I'm a blockchain developer. My name is Menken Yuslen. So I've been developing for a few years now. I started back when I think 2020. When I started my tech career in 2020, I was not really into blockchain at that time. I was into cybersecurity. I was pursuing a career in cybersecurity. I started looking for resources to learn. I was focused on my own, learning on my own. Then I came across blockchain, I think 2022. I came across blockchain. I was on YouTube. I was just scrolling and watching videos because I always I always watch videos on the latest technology and stuff. Then I came across blockchain and instantly, I don't know what happened. I was into it. It was just so amazed. But before this, I was really using Bitcoin and other crypto currencies, but I didn't really know much about them until I came across Ethereum smart contract. That was when I really got interested in learning more. I started doing research. I started looking for resources to learn. I mostly picked most of my resources on Telegram at that time because I did not have enough resources to pay for courses and learn. So I needed to download courses, learn them on my own. So I started learning, networking with others, and started building my portfolio in, blockchain. So that's just how my career in blockchain is.
Oh, that's great. So you learned all the blockchain programming on your own.
Yeah, literally, I'm a software developer, so I've been learning
Oh,
all on my own all this while.
wow, that's really inspiring, amazing. Thanks for sharing this, Jocelyn. But and thanks for
Yeah,
the introduction. So now I will let you lead maybe the session, so you can talk to us about the hackathon, why we chose ICP, and how everything will work for for the developers participants.
yeah. Okay, so literally, the hackathon is really an opportunity for people to showcase their skills and prove to others out there that they know what they are doing. And also, why one of the reasons why we literally choose ICP for this is because ICP goes beyond just handling transactions. It lets developers create decentralized applications, and these applications can run directly on the blockchain. I mean, ICT has a lot of advantages. Its scalability, you can scale the application. It allows a lot of users to like work on your decentralized application. If you be a DApp on ICTP, you can have a lot of users on it. Security, it's advanced cryptographic, so it's literally really secured. And the governance, you can create apps that are built in with community control. So you can have community control in your DApp. So it's really good. Even cross-chain compatibility, you can bring in Bitcoin and Ethereum into to ICP. That's literally, you can be applications that cut across other chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is really cool. Uh,
Thanks. So now you just told us why we chose ICP.
yeah, and it's really good because it's really offering a unique combination of scalability, security, and decentralization, which is really good for decentralized applications. It's really good also. Some of the key features that people that we really choose ICTP is because of the scalability, the security, and the decentralization, which every key decentralized app should be focusing on.
Exactly, I totally agree with you. And so, have you tried to build on ICP? How it's like to build a blockchain app on ICP?
Well, I tried. I was looking at the documentation the other day. It's pretty much simple and straightforward. If you have technology background, even if you don't have any technology background, the guide is really good. You just need to have Linux operating system. If you're not working with Linux, you can have Windows subsystem for Linux. Get their SDK, then you can start running it on the go. You just need to run with one simple command. You already have a demo template and you're already running it. I was able to get a demo up and running real fast within the 15 minutes.
Oh, that's amazing. And so, during the hackathon, you will support all the blockchain developers to learn ICP and build a project on this blockchain, right?
Yeah, during the hackathon, I'll be helping all the other mentees to be able to build awesome projects. I'll be guiding them, helping them understand how ICP function, how they can install it, how they can work with the necessary tools and resources, installing the SDK, deploying your first smart contract on the test net and on the live net, helping them really build and understand. If they have any issue, they can come to us or me, and I'll be able to help them, direct them, or help them solve their issue.
Oh, that's great. And also for all the people in the audience, if you have some question, feel free to ask them now because we have the chance to be with the Jocelyn right now. He will be able to answer all your question. And from what I understood, you will correct me if I'm wrong. We will start the hackathon during the 2 days, and after we will let maybe 1 or 2 weeks for the developers so they can finish their app, so they can have a good quality app. That's correct.
Yes, that's very true. So the first day of the hackathon will be just for introduction to ICP, understanding their understanding their platform, understanding how to create a basic template and get it up and running. We'll give them the basic, then they themselves will go and start working on the hackathon while we assist them.
So even if I don't know ICP, but I'm a developer, will I still be able to participate in the hackathon?
Of course. If you don't know ICP, like literally the hackathon is, it would be really nice to have Web 2 developers on board into Web 3. That would be really really awesome. I mean, it's literally going to be amazing if we have some Web 2 developers there. So if you're not into Web 3, you've never done Web 3 before, please come. Don't be scared. Don't be scared that you don't know anything concerning blockchain. We're literally going to hold you by the hand, direct you every step of the way on how to install ICP and get it up and running.
Oh, so that's great. So that means that even if I know nothing about Web3 programming, I can come with just
Yeah,
my background in a software developer and come back of the
yeah.
hackathon with some skills to build a blockchain app.
Yeah, that's true. If you have no knowledge on Web3, please come. We're going to assist you, onboard you into Web3, and give you the resources you need. It's not only about just building, we're also going to be giving you learning resources so that developers can go back and be able to learn on their own, understand certain things. Plus, we are going to be available throughout the 2 weeks and even after the 2 weeks in case the hackathon ends and you still want to continue with the career in blockchain. If you need any assistance, you can still contact any of the mentors. They'll be there to assist you. It's not just ending during the hackathon. We are here to assist anybody even after the hackathon.
Wow, that's amazing. But now I have a question. After the 2 days event, how will you be able to support me or to help me with my project?
Well, we're using Discord moderation. So literally every person participating in the hackathon, we have to join our Discord server. We're going to create each project is going to have a Discord channel to help them manage. So since we'll be grouping people into teams of probably 4 to 5 members, each of them they will have their Discord channel, and all the mentors will help them through this Discord channel to understand and be able to bring out their project.
Oh, that's amazing. So after the 2 days IRA, we will join the Discord and each group will have assistants to make sure they can finish their project.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, that's really great. And what can I do to prepare for the hackathon? Do I need to read some things? Is there some documentation or I don't need to do anything?
Well, you don't literally need to do anything because you just need to show up. The only thing you need to do is get up, take your bath, dress, and get and present yourself in the hackathon space. We don't need you to do anything extra. We're literally going to cover up everything you need during this 2 days program. Then the 2 weeks will be provided for you to build your project, so you don't need to learn anything extra.
Oh, okay, that's really interesting. And now I have another question related to blockchain programming. Sorry, what skills does
Yeah.
it take to be a successful blockchain developer as you are?
Well, uh, I would say there are so many skills. Others would say probably you need to you need to learn programming. You need to be smart. You need to learn how to understand. I would just say the simple skills you need is determination. You need to be determined to learn because if you're a blockchain developer, you learn every day new technology, new things pop up every single day. So you literally just need to be able to be determined to learn every single day. You won't know everything from the start, but your determination will keep pushing you forward. Sometimes you face problems or probably a bug in the code and you spend weeks trying to solve it. It's just your determination that keeps you going. Like recently, the AI trend has been really kicking up, and ICP is looking to introduce AI into its system. So that's like an emerging trend, and as a developer you need to keep up with the trend. You need to understand how AI is going to help the blockchain, how we are going to integrate it and stuff like that. So it's just determination and learning, and be ready to learn every single day.
And you talked about AI and ICP. Will I be able to build an AI project on ICP?
Currently, there are a few projects that has been built on ICP. We're still at the early stage. I think they are still at the early stage, so it will still take time for a complete AI to be on the blockchain. But they already have a test, like a facial recognition software, completely on the blockchain. Recently, I read a post on their admin panel. They are looking to integrate the Llama 3 model completely on the blockchain. So you'll be literally be able to access Llama 3 on the blockchain completely without any issue.
Oh, okay. That's great. And now I have a question. It's general regarding Web3 programming. How would you compare Web3 programming to Web2 programming? Is it the same? Is it harder? Is it easier?
Well, Web 2 programming and Web 3, they're kind of similar. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. That literally the same thing, because it's still software development. You're learning how to code, how to build stuff, understanding the logic behind it. That's the most important thing. Being able to understand how to build stuff. You're still building stuff like you traditionally do on Web 2.
Okay. And do I need to buy crypto or it's not it's different? Do I need to buy crypto to build an app on the blockchain?
No, literally, that's why we have the test net. If you want to build an application on the blockchain, you use a test net, which is free. You test your application, and when it's actually ready, you can deploy it now on the live chain. Now, on the live chain, you actually need tokens depending on the blockchain you want to deploy in. You need that base token. If you're deploying on ICP, you need the ICP token. If you're deploying on the Ethereum, you need the Ethereum base token. And if you're deploying on Binance or whatsoever chain, you need that base token. And this base token is literally not that expensive. It's always very cheap. So it's just the blockchain charges you're paying, which is probably some as low as 0.00 cents, like Solana and the likes, and even ICP.
Okay. That's great. And maybe before we finish, if we don't have any question, could you share with us an experience regarding an app you build?
Yeah, okay. Let's see. There was a time I built a gamification app. It was a multiplayer card game. I think was when I started learning blockchain. It allow you to play card. I can be anywhere in the world. Another user can be maybe in Australia. I can be here in Cameroon, and together we can play this card game together.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Well, thank you for all the things you shared today. So I think we don't have any question in the audience, so that means that everything was perfectly clear. So thanks again. Do you have anything
My
else to
pleasure.
share or something else we forgot to mention regarding the hackathon, or you think we covered everything?
I think we covered everything as of now.
Okay. Well, I like this. That was fast. That was efficient. We went straight to the point. So I think that all the participants
Yeah.
have all the information they need to start the hackathon. So we will meet all the people who want to participate in Blockchain Boa ICT's hackathon in 2 days at Java Space Aqua, and you will be able to meet Emeke and Jocelyn in person.
I'll be really waiting. I'm excited to meet everyone. I'm really, really looking forward to helping others come into the industry.
So thanks again, Jocelyn, for your time. So have a good rest before the intensive week we have, and yeah, we will meet soon. Thanks again, and thank you everyone for joining
Okay.
the live. You had something else to say? Sorry, I interrupted
No,
you. I
I'm
think.
okay. I'm okay. No, I'm fine.
Okay, well, thanks again, everyone.